Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to make an origami balloon. This is what inspired Alice Min Soo Chun to make the design for her soul lights. And all the materials you need is a piece of paper and some scissors if you don't have origami paper. So I'm using construction paper, which is a little bit too thick, but it would still work. So first thing you want to do is make a triangle, and you want to line up the edge all the way as perfectly as you can. Make the biggest possible triangle you can that's even. Okay. So your paper should look like this. And then this is the only time we'll be using the scissors. After this we won't need it again. And then we're just going to cut along this edge right here. And like I said, this step isn't necessary if you have origami paper. Okay, so. And I'm just folding it an extra time just to make it nice and smooth. So, almost perfect square. Don't worry about this line because we'll actually need it later. So the first thing you want to do is fold the square in half. And you want a nice clean fold, so like that. So now you have a rectangle. And you want to fold the rectangle in half again. So now you have a square. So mine is a little bit thicker, so I'm going to fold it on both sides, just so it's easier for me to fold later. Okay. Perfect. Okay, and like I said, that fold we did need anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and fold part of the rectangle down. So it should look like this. And I'm going to fold the other part of the rectangle down as well. So now we have a triangle. So there we are. And I'm just going to fold again, just so my creases are nice and crisp. Okay, so now that we have our triangle, we're actually going to fold it back out to the rectangle. And now what you're going to do is you're going to hold the center if it's easier. But you're going to take this inside piece right here, and you're going to fold it to make a triangle. I know it looks super similar, but I promise it's different. And then we're going to flip it on the back. And same thing, I'm just kind of going to put my finger right here and then fold that other triangle. So, even though it looks like the exact same triangle, it's what's on the inside that counts. It should look like this now. Okay, and now you're going to want to fold up the bottom of your triangle to this top over here. So just like that. And then same thing on this side. Okay, and then you're going to want to flip it over to do the same thing. And then same thing. Last corner, fold it up to the top. Okay, so now that you have a square, the ones with the little these little flaps, you're going to want to take the end and fold it to the center right here. So that's one of them. And then we're going to do the same thing for this side. And again, you want to be working on the sides with the little flaps, not like these ones that don't have the little flaps. Okay, and then we're going to flip to the other side. And same thing, just fold towards the center. And I'm going to fold this one towards the center too. Okay, so we're almost done, I promise. So now these little flaps, we're going to tuck them in to here. Just like that. So it should look something like that. These should be tucked in a little bit more than mine. And then same thing for this side. Okay, and so finally it should look like this after these should be closer to this triangle right there, but mine won't fit for some reason. Okay, I'm just gonna do my best. Okay, and then unlike most origamis, this one you actually are gonna blow it up to inflate it. And then mine is a little bit harder because it is construction paper, so don't use construction paper. And then alright, and then there's your balloon. And then you can do different colors, different shapes, and different sizes.